Join me as I dive into what happens now that Amazon has cut off UPS, and I'll try to figure out the impact this will have on our deliveries. Amazon's decision to cut off UPS has sent ripples throughout the e-commerce landscape. 20,000 jobs expected to be lost. This move marks a significant shift in Amazon's logistics strategy, one that could have far-reaching implications for the way packages are delivered. For years, UPS has been one of Amazon's primary shipping partners, handling a substantial portion of its packages. With Amazon cutting off UPS, both companies face a slew of challenges. For Amazon, the immediate concern is ensuring that packages continue to move efficiently. The company will need to rely more heavily on its own delivery network, as well as other partners like FedEx and the U.S. Postal Service. This transition won't be easy, and there are worries about potential delivery delays, especially during peak shopping seasons. UPS, on the other hand, is facing a major blow. Amazon was a significant contributor to UPS's revenue, and losing that business will undoubtedly have an impact on the company's bottom line. UPS will need to find ways to offset this loss, possibly by securing new partnerships or expanding its services with other major e-commerce players. The decision also raises questions about customer satisfaction. Will Amazon's move lead to longer delivery times or more issues with packages not arriving as expected? Amazon's been investing heavily in its logistics infrastructure, but it's still unclear how this change will affect the customer experience. One thing's for sure, Amazon's customers have come to expect fast and reliable shipping, and any hiccups could lead to dissatisfaction. Amazon's decision to cut off UPS likely stems from a desire to assert more control over its shipping operations. By reducing its reliance on UPS, Amazon can negotiate better rates with other carriers and potentially improve delivery times. This move also allows Amazon to compete more directly with UPS and FedEx, possibly even undercutting them on price. The reasons behind Amazon's decision are complex, but one thing's clear: this change will have a lasting impact on the shipping landscape. As Amazon continues to grow and expand its logistics network, it may be able to offer faster and more flexible shipping options to its customers. This could put pressure on UPS and FedEx to adapt and innovate their own services. The impact on Amazon's relationships with its customers and partners will be closely watched. If the transition goes smoothly, it could signal a new era of efficiency and innovation in e-commerce shipping. On the other hand, any disruptions could lead to a re-evaluation of Amazon's strategy and its partnerships with other carriers. As this situation unfolds, one thing's certain: the e-commerce landscape is about to change in some fundamental ways. Amazon's move to cut off UPS is more than just a business decision. It's a glimpse into the future of online shopping and the complex web of logistics that makes it all possible. In conclusion, Amazon cutting off UPS marks a significant shift in the e-commerce landscape. The potential impact on consumers and the shipping industry could be substantial, with delivery delays and customer dissatisfaction being major concerns. If you've got thoughts on what this means for the future of e-commerce and shipping, I'd love to hear them in the comments. Check out my other videos for more insights on e-commerce trends.